The Blaupunkt AMP-7502PRO amplifier offers a powerful output with a maximum of 750 watts, making it an excellent choice for those seeking robust sound performance. Designed with a compact and slim profile, this amplifier can be easily installed in various locations such as trunks or under seats, providing flexibility for different vehicle types. Utilizing Class AB technology, the AMP-7502PRO ensures high efficiency by minimizing power loss and reducing heat generation, which contributes to its compact size and lighter weight. It features a full-range frequency response from 10 Hz to 45 kHz, delivering crisp highs and deep lows for a comprehensive audio experience. Blaupunkt's long-standing reputation since 1924 ensures that this amplifier meets high standards for performance and durability, benefiting from the brand's extensive experience in audio technology. The gain-adjustable feature allows users to fine-tune the amplifier's output, optimizing the audio quality according to personal preferences and the specific acoustic environment.